We will start with the new topic, that is pressure. Now let us discuss the definition of pressure. The thrust acting per unit area is called as pressure. Now what is the formula? Pressure is equal to force upon area. Means here pressure is directly proportional to force and it is inversely proportional to area. Now what is the unit of pressure? Unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Because pressure is force upon area, force is given as Newton, area is meter square, so it is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Now what are the factors on which the pressure depends? First factor is force. The pressure is directly proportional to force, means pressure increases with the increase in force. Second one is area on which the force acts. It is inversely proportional to area, as we discussed in the formula. Pressure decreases with the increase in area. Now let us discuss pressure in fluids. You can see here I have taken a vessel containing liquid where there is one cylinder kept inside the liquid. Now let us discuss what is the pressure on the base of the cylinder or an object which is taken into the liquid. As we know that pressure is given by formula force upon area. So I have taken force upon area as a formula for pressure. Now what is force? What is the force acting on the cylinder or object by the water? That is given by mass into acceleration, and the area in the denominator is written as it is. So in place of force I have written numerator mass into acceleration due to gravity, which is divided by area. Now we know that mass of the liquid column is given by formula volume into density, because in primary classes we have studied density is mass upon volume, and due to which mass will be calculated by the formula volume into density. Now let us substitute this mass formula in above equation, that is mass into gravity upon area. We get pressure is equal to volume into density. So in place of mass I have substituted volume into density into gravity as it is upon area. Now we know that volume is nothing but area into height. Volume of any substance, any object is always area into height. So I have written in place of volume A into H, rho and G as it is I have copied, and in the denominator area is written as it is. So numerator and denominator area get cancelled. The pressure formula will be H rho G. Okay, this is the formula for pressure calculated in fluids on an object. Then what are the factors on which the pressure in fluids depends? First one is depth. As the formula here we have seen that H rho G, H is nothing but the depth or the height inside the fluid. So depth increases with increase in pressure. As depth increases, pressure increases, and due to which the diver suit into water, the diver which dives very deep inside the water, the diver suit is constructed in such a way that it can withstand high pressure, because as depth increases, pressure increases. The next is density. Different substances, different fluids have different densities. So as the density increases, the pressure increases. Density decreases, pressure decreases. Like you take an example of water and oil. Now density of oil is less than density of water, due to which pressure exerted by oil is obviously less than the pressure exerted by water. Then third one is gravity. So it is also depending on gravity, because acceleration due to gravity, if there is a gravity then only there will be a force exerting due to gravity. So it is also directly proportional to gravity. More the gravity, more is the pressure.